Hello everyone, welcome to Next Gen AI Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about how to do the installation of Java and Eclipse IDE. First, we will learn how to do the Java installation. We have to follow 6 steps as mentioned in the slides. Let me do one by one. First, press Windows key and search for command prompt. Type CMD, enter. Here, just type Java. You have to get this error message. Java is not recognized as internal or external command. It means in your system you don't have Java. In case you got some other message, then try to go to control panel. In that, under programs, click uninstall a program. Check whether Java is available in this list. If so, click and uninstall it. Because while working in the Eclipse IDE, due to the mismatch in JDK, we will get a lot of errors. So it is always a good practice. We have to uninstall the any Java older version. So first step completed. Then the next step is we have to download the Java JDK. Go to the Chrome browser. Here type Java JDK. Oracle is the official website for Java. Click on the first link. Then here you can see JDK download. Click on that. Right now, Jan month 2021, JDK 15 version is available. Maybe when you watch this video future, the version will be different, but the installation procedure remains the same. Scroll down. Based on your OS, that is either Linux or Mac or Windows, you have to download the respective file. Good part about Windows user is initially we have Windows 32, Windows 64. Right now there is no more Windows 32. So directly Windows 64 installer we can download. Either .exe file or zip file. I'll go with this .exe file. You will get this pop-up. Just select this and click download JDK. It's a 160 MB. It will take some time to download. Now press Ctrl+J. It will take you to the downloads. From here also you can navigate. So Java JDK. It is always a good practice. You have to move this to a C. In C, I created a folder automation, then setup files. So that no one disturb this file, just paste it here. Now the next step is right click, run as administrator. You'll get a pop-up, click on yes. You'll get like this, click on next, then next. So based on your computer configuration, this installation process timing will vary. Now installation is completed. Click on close. So we completed 2, 3, 4 step. Now the next step is we have to set up the path in the environment variable. This is a very important step. Most of them will miss this. This PC. Go to the C drive. Go to the program files. Java. Now you can see JDK 15.01. Inside this, move to the bin folder. Copy this location. This is very important step. Save this to a notepad. Now the next step is you can directly search for environment variable. You'll get system properties. If not, type this PC, go for properties, then advanced system setting. So either you can directly search for environment variable. If not, you can do like this. In the advanced tab, click on the environment variables. Here choose the path, then click on edit. you will get list of environment variables already added. Let's add a new one. Here paste the bin path. That's it. If you want, you can move this to the top. Anything is fine. Click on OK, OK, OK. So we are done with the setup. Just go to the command prompt, type Java. You have to get log like this. Always open a new command prompt and type the Java. We are done with the Java installation. 6 steps. Now the next step is we have to install the Eclipse IDE. IDE means integrated development environment, where we type our Java code. So first step, Eclipse IDE, the official website URL. I will mention this in video description also. Click on download. Now you can see Eclipse IDE 2020-12 December version. Same like Java, if you see this video in future, this version will be different, but the installation process remains the same. Click on this, and this is a common for Mac also. Then click on download. You will get like this warning message. Click on keep. The download started. Control J, you will get like this. Go to that folder. So this is the Eclipse installer. Move to the setup folder. So it is always a good practice, whatever the file we download, we'll keep everything in the common folder so that no one will disturb this one. Click on run as administrator. Yes. First time when you launch Eclipse, it will take more time to launch. You have to get like this Eclipse installer. You will be getting window like this, and we have many versions of Eclipse. Select the first option, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. You will get like this. Good part is automatically Java 15.01 version already selected. Click on install. Installation is completed. It took 5 minutes for me. I have GPU. If it's a normal system configuration, then it will take 15 minutes. Click on launch. You can create your own workspace if you want. I rename to automation. Use this as a default so that every time you no need to select this. Click on launch. First time it will take time to launch. Eclipse IDE successfully installed. You have to get welcome page like this. So in the next step, we have to create the Java project. Just a recap. First, we have to do the Java installation. In that, you have to set up the environment path, which is a very important step. After that, Eclipse IDE. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.